This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients. Use 3 medium tomatoes, 1 medium cucumber, 1/2 red onion, 200 grams feta, and 12 Kalamata olives. For the dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tsp dried oregano, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1/4 tsp black pepper. Wash produce thoroughly. Halve and core tomatoes, then cut into roughly 1-inch chunks. Peel the cucumber if you prefer and slice it into half-moon pieces. Place all prepared vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Combine 1-inch tomato chunks, 1/4-inch cucumber slices, and thinly sliced red onion. Add 12 Kalamata olives whole or pitted, depending on your preference. Crumble 200 grams of feta over the top in large flakes for texture. Pour the dressing evenly across the salad, then use 2 spoons to gently toss so tomatoes hold shape and feta stays in flakes. Taste and adjust with a pinch more salt or 1/2 tsp extra vinegar if needed. Let the salad rest for 10 minutes so flavors marry. Serve this Greek salad chilled as a side. It comfortably portions for 4 people and is roughly 250 kcal per serving when using 200 grams feta and 3 tablespoons olive oil. If you want it as a main, increase feta to 300 grams and add 1 can of chickpeas. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Keep the dressing separate if you prefer the cucumber crisp. For variations, add 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 2 tablespoon capers, or swap 1 tablespoon lemon juice for the red wine vinegar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.